What's good, guys? It's nice catching you guys again in 2026. I can say happy new year. This is my first trade of the year and also my first trade of this week. Today is Tuesday. Yesterday I came to the chart, I could not find a setup.
Here from the Meta 5, I've taken the trade already. This is a 10k account. You can see the balance 999 because I'm in drawdown of $7 on this trade. So let's see how this trade is going to play out. This is literally the first trade of the week and also the first trade of the year. I hope it comes out positive. I'm going to update you guys about this trade as usual. You guys know I document my journey here and also I document my trades here. Whatever outcome this trade is going to have at the end of the day, I'm going to update you guys about that. Anyway, let's see what the market can do from here. I think the setup looks clean, if you may ask me. But at the end of the day, you can't tell what the market is going to do. I'm going to update you guys. And by the way, I'm also risking 1.5% on this trade. So if this trade hit my stop loss, I'll be down 1.5% on this 10k valuation account. I'm going to update you guys about this trade. So guys, this trade has finally hit stop loss. Today I lost $185 and you can see I'm down close to 2%. I was risking 1.5% on this account. Probably the market had a little slippage because there was a lot of volume on good. That's it for today, guys. I'm done. I'm going to come back to the market tomorrow. I take maximum of one trade for the day. Today price action was not cool, but anyway, I'm going to take my L and walk away. This is the first trade of the year and it happened to be a loss. Bro, losses are part of the game. I'm going to walk away and come back tomorrow. Catch you guys tomorrow.
What's good, guys? Today is Wednesday and I've taken the second trade of the year on NAS 100. You can see gold and NAS 100. Let me show you guys the trade of yesterday. Gold stopped me out, then it came back down to show you I was correct in the trend direction overall. You can see I was correct in the trend direction overall. That is gold of yesterday. Today we are looking at NAS 100. I've taken a buy on NAS 100. You can see exactly my entry point. I got my entry point correctly. Now price is kind of reversing back to my entry. But I was floating deep in profit. Let's see how this trade is going to be. I'm going to update you guys about this trade as usual. Whatever decision I take on this trade or whatever outcome this trade is going to have at the end of the day, I'm going to update you guys as usual. I don't know if you guys can see clearly. I think my camera is tripping a little bit, but this is the second trade of the year. I'm going to update you guys about this trade. I don't know if you guys can see this clearly. I've closed one of my position. I opened two positions. You can see I've made $130. I've closed the profit of $130 on one of my position, and I have another position floating, and it's floating about $56 in profit. You can see I'm back to break even on this account. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to let these remaining runners my voice is cracking a little. I'm going to let these remaining runners float, and let's see, I could potentially target somewhere around here. I don't really know, but let's see if there's still momentum in the market. I still have more targets up that I could go for, but for now it's just the runners that are left. I've closed one of my position, which is keeping me in profit of $130, and this particular position is currently at break even. So if price comes back to my entry overall for today, I'll be making $130. That is also my new plan for this year. Remember yesterday I told you guys I was risking 1.5%. I'm doing the same today. I'm risking 1.5% on this trade. I'm going to update you guys about these runners. For now, I got my position secured. You can see this is where I took my entry, and you can see I'm up in profit. So for my runners, I'm holding my runners up until this point here. This point here is last week high, so I'm going to be expecting price to sweep out this high. So definitely I'm going to be leaving my runners to sweep this high. When price gets to this point, I'm going to take TP for my runners. You can see my runners here. You can see it here. I'm floating about $66 in profit now. You can see the position here. So I'm going to leave these runners until price gets to this point.
What's good, guys? Today is Friday and I've taken the last trade of the week on NAS 100. You can see the trade taken here on my Meta 5. Then if we go back to this week, let's check this week. Okay, yeah, this is it. You can see the first trade for this week was taken on gold. I lost about 180 something. Then the second trade was taken on NAS 100 and I made about 243. Yeah, Is it? Yeah, I think okay, 239 on this account. So you can see I'm up about 0.5%. So this is my last trade of the week on NAS 100. Let's see how this trade is going to play out. I'm going to update you guys about this trade. You can see the trade from the trading view. Let's see if we're going to be blessed today, Friday, the last day of the week. I hope this trade comes out positive. I'm going to update you guys. If I win this trade, then this is going to be a super profitable week. But if I lose this trade, I'm going to be down 0.5% on the week. For this trade, I'm risking 1%. You get it, right? My two previous trades, I was risking 1.5%, but this particular trade, I'm risking 1%. I'm not risking 1.5 on this trade. So if this trade stop me out, I'll be down 0.5% on the week. Let's see how this trade is going to play out. I'm going to update you guys on this trade. So guys, as you can see, price is about to hit my stop loss. Price was up in profit. You can see price dropped, like it literally dropped for over 1:1, but it quickly reversed against me because network was tripping. I was trading having a bad network. I was not able to manage this trade because from when price got to this point here, I was supposed to break even. But you see, it retraced back 1:1. I tend to break even and close partials. But in this type of scenario today, I'm only going to break even because I'm risking just 1%. I'm not risking 1.5%. So I'm supposed to break even here, but the market immediately retraced against me. Network came back and I saw price at my entry. I could not do anything. So from here, let's see what price can do because it's literally close to my stop loss. Just few pips close to my stop loss. Let's just see what price can do. If price hit my stop loss, definitely it's going to take out that high. My stop loss is $98. If price gets to my stop loss, I'll be losing $98. Anyway, I'm going to update you guys about this trade. Damn, it's close to my stop. That's hit my stop loss. That's finally hit my stop loss. The trend has changed. That's hit my stop loss. How much did I lose today? Today I lost $100. Today I'm down 0.5% for the week. Damn. I lost $100 today. That's the end of today trading and the end of the week too. Damn, like cutting my hair was like a bad decision. We take bad decisions sometimes. I'm not regretting it. Hair is gonna grow back. Can always come back. But once you fuck up, the type of fuck up you fuck up, you can never unfuck that. Damn, the sun is still active. So I'm basically done trading for this week. Out of the house right now. I need to go do some stuff. First of all, I need to keep this system somewhere and charge it. That's how I cope trading in this type of environment. So guys, I've already gone to the place I used to charge my laptop. So this is it. Most times at night we don't tend to have light. Like the place I basically stay in Cross River. To see light, to see light is like to see whiskey. To see light tough, that like it's so rare. It's so rare to get electricity, except when we put on the gen. And most times we don't put on the gen. Like majority of time we don't put on the gen. Like this night, I don't think we are putting on the gen. So that's why I went to charge my laptop, because when I charge my laptop at night, I'm going to use it to review the trades for this week, and also I'm going to journal my trade. I have a platform I journal my trade called Notion. I've made a video about that on this channel. So that's what I basically do to keep myself grounded in my trading journey. This is a journey. Like all of you guys watching this video, this is a journey to you. Like, your trading is a journey. It's not easy to become a trader. Like, people feel like because I see people flaunting cars online, it's so easy. It comes just like that. Bro, these men are putting in the work. Do you know the amount of work these people have put in to get to the level, to get to the point they are right now? Like, every celebrity you know, everybody you know that is doing well for themselves, anybody you know that's rich, do you know the amount of work, grounded work they have put in to get to that point? So it's going to take time, and the most important thing is to keep yourself grounded and stay disciplined, because if you don't put in the work, nothing is going to change. I had a quote like this. A guy said, if you don't work, nothing is going to change. Like, if you don't try, put in the energy, at least get 1% better every day, nothing is going to change until you change. I think that's where I'm going to. Nothing is going to change until you change. I'm done for this week. This week was not kind of like a nice one for me. Honestly speaking, first trade loser, second trade winner, last trade loser. Overall, I'm down 0.5% based on the Profirm account I'm trading. And the reason is this. It's because of my new risk management plan. I'm supposed to be down 1% self. It's because I risked 1% today. That's the reason I'm down just 0.5%. Bro, this week just happened to be bad. I'm gonna take it. This is a P&L for this week. I'm gonna put a screenshot here. So I'm done for this week. I'm gonna be back next week. Still positive. That's the mindset. You need to be positive when you approach trading. You just need to be positive. Stay positive all the time. Stay positive no matter what you're doing. Stay positive even when you're not seeing result. Stay positive. It's important to stay positive. I'm still positive for next week. I'm gonna come back next week and hop on the chat again. You know the vibes. So I basically document my trading journey on this channel. If you haven't yet subscribed, please enable to hit the like button and subscribe. Literally all I do here is just transparency, document my journey and show everything that concerns me and my journey. Like, this is a journey to me. I'm going to look back one day and be like, wow, you've gone too far, because I was documenting the journey, right? I'm going to have gratitude because I was documenting the journey. Right? It's also for myself, not also to show people the transparency of trading and to document my journey, because I know someone can relate out there with me based on the journey. In the future, I'm also going to be proud I documented my journey. Catch you guys next week. Enjoy your weekend though.